Hey everyone, welcome to BlogHunch. In this video, we will see how to create an image gallery from within the BlogHunch editor. The first thing you need to do is log in and go to your dashboard. And from there, we will head over to the posts and let's create a new one. Here, I have added the title and added some demo content. And now we are ready to add the gallery. All you need to do is click on this option right here, the last one in this row. And now you can just select the images that you want to put right here. So I have about 8 images. I'm going to select all this and click open. And you see right now all of these images are uploading. Once the upload is finished, it will just show upload images. And while uploading, it will show that loader. So please make sure that once the images are selected, you wait until the loader is finished uploading all the images. And once that is done, just click on this add. And here you see all the images are up right here. I have uploaded some pretty big images, so that's why it took a bit to load. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 items right here. This is divided in 3 by 3. So you can put maximum 9 images at once. For example, if you would like to change any of these images, all you need to do is just click on this edit button right here. You can delete any of this image and add another one just by pressing this button again. So this is how gallery works. Now let's publish this post. And let's take a look at this published article. Here you see, this is how it is going to get displayed in your article. Now, if you click on this, we already have a beautiful image library integrated. So what it will do is it will open the images in this kind of pop-up. Now, as you have created a gallery, you will be able to move back and forth within this set of images that you have selected. So this is how the gallery works with BlogHunch.